Understanding AlphaFold and Rosetta, the future of protein structure prediction, and their developers like David Baker, Demis Hassabis, John Jumper were awarded Nobel Prize this year. In the world of biology, proteins are essential modules that play a critical role in almost every process within living organisms. Understanding a protein structure is crucial because its shape determines how it functions. However, predicting a protein structure from its genetic code has long been a complex challenge. Fortunately, two groundbreaking tools have emerged that make this task easier, that is AlphaFold and Rosetta. Let's explore these technologies in simple terms. So, what are proteins? Before explaining AlphaFold and Rosetta, it's helpful to understand what proteins are. Proteins are made up of long chain of smaller units called amino acids. The order of these amino acids determines a protein's unique structure and ultimately its function in the body. However, there are thousands of different proteins, each with its own specific structure. Determining how a protein's amino acid sequence translates it into three-dimensional shape is a key question in biology. So, introducing AlphaFold. AlphaFold is an artificial intelligence system developed by DeepMind, a British AI research company. In 2020, AlphaFold gained international attention when it demonstrated an astonishing ability to accurately predict protein structures using just their amino acid sequence. It uses deep learning, a type of machine learning, to recognize patterns in the vast amount of data on unknown protein structures. In essence, here's how AlphaFold works. Learning from data. AlphaFold was trained on a massive data set containing information about many different proteins and their structures. So, predicting shapes. Once trained, it can take a new protein's amino acid sequence and predict how that protein will fold into its specific shape. So, providing accurate models. Its predictions are so accurate that they often come very close to experimentally determined structures found in laboratories. AlphaFold has set a new standard in computational biology, providing researchers with tools to make significant strides in understanding diseases, drug design, and more. So, exploring Rosetta. Rosetta, developed by the Rosetta Commons Consortium, is another powerful software suite used for protein structure prediction, protein-to-protein interactions, and designing new proteins. So, while it does not rely solely on artificial intelligence like AlphaFold, it uses a collection of computational techniques that have evolved over many years. Here's a simplified overview of how Rosetta works. Modeling and simulation. So, Rosetta uses physical principles and statistical methods to model how proteins fold. It generates many protein structures for a given protein and evaluates them. So, the scoring and optimization. Each predictor structure is scored based on how stable it is. The system then refines and optimizes these predictor structures to improve accuracy. Experimental validation. Rosetta can also design new proteins that do not exist in nature, which can be useful for creating enzymes for industrial applications or therapeutic proteins. While not as universally accurate as AlphaFold, Rosetta provides valuable flexibility in designing experiments and simulating biological processes that are not easily predicted. So, comparing AlphaFold and Rosetta. Both AlphaFold and Rosetta serve similar purposes in the realm of protein structure prediction, but they approach the problem differently. So, the methodology. AlphaFold relies primarily on machine learning and pattern recognition, while Rosetta combines physical modeling with statistical analysis. So, accuracy and use cases. AlphaFold has shown exceptional accuracy on a wide range of protein structures, but Rosetta's detailed modeling capabilities can still be essential for specific applications such as designing custom proteins or understanding protein interactions at a deeper level. Ease of use. AlphaFold has simplified access to protein structure predictions, making it easier for non-experts to utilize, while Rosetta requires a more in-depth understanding of computational biology techniques. The impact on science. Both AlphaFold and Rosetta have an immense applications for scientific research. Understanding protein structures can lead to breakthroughs in drug discovery, understanding diseases, developing new treatments. By streamlining the process of protein prediction, these tools open doors for researchers to explore the complexities of life at a molecular level. So, the AlphaFold and Rosetta are vital tools in the ongoing quest to understand the molecular world. As the technology continues to advance, these systems will likely play an even more prominent role in biological research, opening up new horizons in medicine, biotechnology, and our understanding of life itself. The future is indeed bright with these innovations, making the once daunting task of protein structure prediction more accessible than ever before.